Hi there guys, so today I wanted to show you how to temporarily fix a broken Fitbit Charge 2 band, and I think this would work for some other Fitbit charges and other Fitbits, any of them that have this little thing that helps keep the extra flap of this down so it's not interfering with your everyday activities. So for me, I wear this to bed, and when I was sleeping, this little part broke off. So now when I put the Fitbit on, I'll show you what happens. So you put it on, you hook it, but then this little part sticks up. And this really does affect your everyday activities. Like if you're writing, this can get in the way. It's just annoying and it's just an inconvenience. So I just wanted to show you guys how to temporarily fix this. And I say temporarily because you don't want to, have this forever. But what I've been doing, I went ahead and I ordered a whole new set of bands, but they're not going to get here until sometime next week. So in the meantime, I'm using just a hair thing. So you're going to put the hair thing on this side of the Fitbit. And you're gonna wrap it around 3 times, or it might be less or more depending on if your Fitbit's bigger or smaller than mine. But you're gonna tie it 3 times for the Fitbit Charge 2, and then move it up a little bit. And then when you go to put on your tracker, you do it the normal way. Okay, you got the little flap that's sticking out and the little inconvenient part, but then you just stick it like that, and then just move out the hair thing wherever you would like it to be. So right there is good for me, but you see the flap's no longer out, it's contained. So this is it's very simple. It's just a quick fix for when you're waiting for your new bands to come, but it's helped me because it's not as annoying as it was. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and that this helps you a little bit while you're waiting for your new bands, but I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.